Hello friends, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to find the derivative of 1 using the limit definition. If you want to learn more about derivative, please visit mathstoon.com. Now let's start. From the first principle, that is, from the limit definition, we know that derivative of a function f(x) is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. Now to get the derivative of 1, we need to put fx equal to 1 here. So put fx equal to 1 and that gives us f of x plus h is equal to 1 and fx is also 1. So finally we get derivative of 1 is equal to limit h tends to 0, 1 minus 1 by h. Now simplifying this fraction we get 0 by h which is equal to 0. Now we know that the limit of 0 when h tends to 0 is 0. So derivative of 1 is equal to 0. Now note that the derivative of a constant is always 0. As 1 is a constant, so using the rule, we can directly get derivative of 1 is equal to 0. If you want to learn more about this fact, please click the video given in the I button. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.